Are you tired of the repetitive strain of keyboard shortcuts and mouse clicks during photo, video, or sound editing? Enter the Tourbox, a tactile editing console designed to streamline your creative workflow. This compact yet robust tool might just change the way you work with software like Adobe Photoshop, Lightroom, or DaVinci Resolve. At $169, it offers a unique combination of affordability and functionality. But does it deliver on its promise to enhance productivity? In this review, we'll explore the Tourbox's design, features, performance, and value for money. While comparing it to its competitors, the Tourbox is a plug-in controller meant to be operated with your non-dominant hand, while your dominant hand remains on the mouse or stylus. It comes packed with customizable dials, buttons, and knobs. With its support for any software that allows keyboard shortcuts, the Tourbox is a versatile tool for professionals across various creative industries. Key features include 3 assignable dials, including one with a clickable function, 11 tactile buttons of varying shapes and sizes, USB-C connectivity, and a USB 3.0 pass-through port, compatibility with software like Photoshop, Lightroom, and DaVinci Resolve. The first thing you'll notice about the Tourbox is its weight. At 13.6 ounces, 385 grams, this compact device feels substantial and sturdy, ensuring it stays put on your desk during intense editing sessions. Its rubberized finish is pleasant to the touch, though it does attract fingerprints and smudges. The design could pose challenges in low-light environments due to its monochrome black-gray color scheme, but its tactile interface compensates for this limitation. The controls are thoughtfully designed, but not without flaws. For example, the larger buttons are easy to use, offering satisfying clicks with minimal travel. The top left scroll wheel and the main dial provide smooth resistance and precise control. The 4 D-pad buttons are small and positioned too close to the central dial, making them harder to use without looking. Sensitivity adjustments for the dials would also improve their usability. Installing the Tourbox requires downloading the Tourbox console software, available for both macOS and Windows. While the software itself is intuitive and stable, the installation process is more complex than most devices, requiring separate driver downloads. Additionally, the console doesn't automatically start with your computer, a minor inconvenience that could be resolved in future updates. Once set up, the Tourbox console allows you to assign up to 38 user-defined functions, tailored to each software you use. Preloaded profiles for Photoshop and Lightroom provide a great starting point, but customizing the controls to fit your specific needs takes time and experimentation. After a learning curve of about a week, the Tourbox truly began to shine. The tactile nature of the controls made tasks like adjusting brush sizes in Photoshop or scrubbing timelines in DaVinci Resolve feel more intuitive and efficient. With my right hand on the mouse and my left on the Tourbox, I found myself working faster and with less strain. However, it's not perfect. For some users, the device might feel too small, especially those with larger hands. Additionally, the sensitivity of the rotary controls could be better fine-tuned for greater accuracy. At $169, the Tourbox occupies a unique price point. While it's more affordable than high-end options like the Lupodeck CT $550 or Monogram $330, it offers a more tactile experience than budget alternatives like the Elgato Stream Deck $92. For those seeking a balance between functionality and cost, the Tourbox is a compelling choice. The Tourbox is an excellent tool for professionals seeking to improve their workflow. Its tactile controls provide a satisfying and efficient alternative to traditional keyboard shortcuts, though some design improvements would make it even better. If you're willing to invest time into customizing and learning the device, it can undoubtedly enhance your productivity. For $169, the Tourbox offers impressive value, making it a worthy contender in the world of editing consoles. Whether you're a video editor, photographer, or sound designer, this device could be the productivity boost you've been looking for.